The agreement wording section is where you can create the actual text or wording for your agreements or contracts or memberships. In this case, there are a few sample ones that we've created. You can add a new one by simply clicking Add New Agreement Wording, which will take you to the same page as editing any existing one, except with blank information. So let's take a look at the sample membership agreement to see how this is done. If we click Edit, that will take us to the page where we can actually edit this information. Here we can assign it a name and a description. And then in the text field down below, you can create the actual wording for your membership itself. There are various tools you can use at the top, similar to a Word document. On the left are the fields that you can insert into various areas of the agreement wording to import that information when it's assigned to a client. For example, under the master fields, you can set your logo, company name, and who sold the agreement. Under agreement fields, you have all your various payment and duration information that can be added in the agreement wording itself, such as the name of the agreement, duration, what the agreement dues are, and various other fees and times. And these can be added in the various areas of the wording. Down below, you have client fields that may be added. This is basically all of the client contact information, some or any of which you may want to include in the agreement. You can also insert images, and you can insert a signature. When creating the actual agreement wording itself, you'll type very similar to a Word document, and then just insert the fields by clicking on the button. Everything in parentheses is a field that will be imported when that agreement is added to a client's profile. So we can see in this case, under membership type, it's going to insert the agreement name that's been added for that client, and then the company name. Again, as another example, under cancellation fee, it's going to show the actual cancellation fee amount here, and then show cancellation fee. So this would say, for example, $100 cancellation fee, no refunds, and that this has been explained. You can then use the initial field. Once you're finished, you'll simply click Save at the bottom, and you've created your agreement wording, and you can now link it on the Agreements page for what will be used for which agreements.